Hello students and welcome all the viewers. The chapter or the lesson that we are going to do today is factorization. This chapter is there in class 9. Though you are doing this from class 7, 8 and 9. But so many people have requested me to revise this once again. So here it is. Alright. Now factorization is very important. Alright. When you go to higher classes also this factorization plays a very important role in mathematics. Alright. Now factorization is nothing but it is also a part of algebra. Alright. So before we move on to what is there in the factorization, first you need to know the terms. Remember, the terms are very important in science and math. Okay, so if you know the meaning of the terms that we use in science or mathematics, then it will be very easy for you to understand the chapter. Alright, so factor. So first let's try to understand what are factors. Now, factors are nothing but it is a quantity or number. It is a quantity or a number which when multiplied with other quantity, so we'll get another number. For example, let us take 2 as a number. So if you multiply this with another quantity, let's say 3. Now, what will be the product? The product will be 6. So that means we are multiplying two quantities or the two numbers to get another quantity or the expression. Alright? So this, whatever we multiply to get 6. These numbers are nothing but they are called factors. Alright. Now let's take an example of let's say 24. Now 24 is a product, okay, when you multiply the two numbers. So can you find what are the factors of 24? So let's try. So first 24 into 1 will give you 24. So 24 itself is also a factor. Alright? And then 2 into 12. So these two are another factor. 3 into 8. 6 into 4. So all these are factors of 24. But if you take 5 and 3, will it be the factor of 24? So we cannot take any number, whichever we want. Alright? So the factors are nothing but the quantity, okay, which when multiplied to get the resulting number. Alright? So this idea we use in algebra. Alright? So this is based on the number system. So this same property we use to find the factors of the expression in which the variable are used. Alright, you remember variable and the constant? So variable are nothing but the alphabets or the symbols that we use in mathematics. Alright, so for example, if I write x squared plus 3x plus 8. So can you find the factor of this? But not here. If you look at just take an example of this 24. So if it is a numerical value, then it will be very easy for us to find the factors. We can easily take the LCM, then we can find it. Alright, but if you look at this expression now here, when you add some variable in a quantity, then it will be a little bit difficult. So this is what we are going to learn in this section. Alright, so 24 is a quantity or the resulting number we get when you multiply the two numbers. Alright, so it may be 24 into 1, 12 into 2, 8 into 3 and 6 into 4. Now similarly, if I write x squared 1, now can you find the factor of this one? Or if you add another quantity which contains variable. Alright, so this is what we are going to discuss in this section. Now let's try to discuss about the methods or the ways of finding the factors of any expression. Okay, so we have 5. So if you know this 5, then it will be easy for you to find the factors of any expression. Alright, so the first one is taking common method. The second one is grouping method. Third one, which is very important, breaking middle term. The fourth one is by using formula, which is a squared minus b squared. I think you must be familiar with this formula. And the fifth one is also by using formula that is a cubed minus b. So let's try to discuss all this method one by one. So this is the first method, that is taking common method. Now here in this method, what we are going to do is we are finding the common terms. Alright, then we take that term, okay, and whatever terms will get left over, that will put inside the bracket. For example, if you look at this one, 2a cubed minus 6a. Then if you look at this one, and if you try to elaborate it by stating or expanding this one, the a cube is nothing but if you multiply 3 a's, then we'll get a cube minus 6 if you break it, 2 into 3 into a. Now if you look at this one, we have two terms, alright? Now from the first term, 2 is there. Now if you look at the second term, 2 is there. So 2 is common. Now a, if you look at this one, a and a is common. That since no terms are there, alright? And here we don't have 3, so only 2a is common. So let's take 2a common. So what are the remaining terms? A. So a into a is a squared minus 3. Alright? So these are the factors of this expression. So this is how we find the factors. Alright? Now let's take these two examples. So the first example, if you look at this one, so first thing that you need to do here is try to expand it, try to find out the common terms, and then that common terms you take it outside, and whatever terms, the remaining terms, you put that term inside the bracket. Okay? So if you look at this one, if you expand this, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, x into y cube is there. So y into y into y. Once you get used to all of this, then you can do it directly. Alright? So plus. This one we can make it as 2 into 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. Then got this one. So this is your x into x. So this is your x squared into y into y squared. Now let's try to find out the common terms. 2, 2, 2, 2. Then we don't have 2 here and we don't have 3 here. So 1x is common. Then y. Then 1 more. So are you understanding how I'm finding the common terms? Alright. Now let's try to separate this. So 2, 2, 4, x, y into y is y. Let's check it here. 2 2s are 4, x and y. So we have separated the common terms. Alright. Now what are the remaining terms? So from the first term, all these terms are common. So 2 and y is common. Plus from here, 3 into x. So these are the factors of this expression. This into this. Alright? Now let's look at example 2. Now if you look at this one, now this is very important. You have to analyze and you have to observe the question. What's given in the question. Now if you look at this one, the term inside the bracket are same. Now if I assume it as a cube, then it will be very easy for you to do this. Yes sir. Now if you look at this one, let's try to separate. Now 6, 2 into 3. Now this one, x plus 2y, cube is there. I am writing it like this only. Plus 2 into 4 and x plus 2y whole square. Now if you look at this one, 2 is common. 3 we don't have, 4 we don't have. Now if you look at this one, x plus 2y here, x plus 2y here. But here we have 3x plus 2y and here we have 2x plus 2y. So what we can do is, now 2 is common. Now x plus 2y is common, but how many? Here we have 3 and here we have 2. So 2x plus 2y are common. Now what are the remaining terms? Now 2 is already common. Now 3 is left over. Now here 3x plus 2y are here. 2 we already wrote here. Now 1x plus 2y will remain there. Plus 2 is here, 4, and x plus 2y square is already common. Alright? So 2 into x plus 2y whole square. If you multiply, you will get 3x plus 6y plus 4 are the required factor of this expression. Alright? Now let's move on to the next method, that is grouping method. Now let me try to explain you with an example. Now in grouping method, what we do is we arrange the term in group of 2 or 3 or 4 and so on. But till class 10, 2 or 3. Okay? Now what we do here is first we arrange the term in group, then the method will remain same. Like we take common. What we did in common method, same we do here. Alright? So the first thing is you have to arrange it. Alright? If you look at this one, it looks like the terms are arranged. Okay? Now what we have to do here is first I arrange this two, then I arrange this. Now from here, now see, in grouping method we have to arrange in group, then we have to repeat the first method, that is common method. Now if you arrange this, see we have 4 terms, so what I did here is you cannot arrange 3 and 1. So the ratio has to be same. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, like that. Alright? Now, if we look at this one, what is common? X is common. Where do we? Now, x plus this is x is common, so y. Now, if no terms are common, then 1 will be common here. So this will be, if 1 is common, then the sign will change. Alright? Minus into plus will be minus. Always keep this in mind. When you are taking negative common, then the term inside the bracket, I mean the sign of the term inside the bracket will change. For example, if it is minus a minus b, then if you are taking minus common, you see here we cannot take any term common, so minus 1 is common here. So a, the sign will change. Alright, one more example. If I write minus 2a square minus 4a. Now if you look at this one, minus is common, now 2 is common and a is common, so this will be your a plus 2 to the 4. Alright? Okay. Now if you look at this one, now see, observe, analyze. Observation is very, very important. Alright? Now what you can observe here, the term inside the bracket are same. Now if the term inside the bracket are not same, then you have to rearrange the term here. For example, in this question, if it is like this, minus, can you do it? So here x is common, x minus 1. So here y is common, so this way also we can. Sometimes if we rearrange the term, this way also we can do it. But if I arrange the term this way, now here we cannot take any term common and here we can take x common, so it doesn't make any sense. Alright? Now, so that means the term inside the bracket are same. So that means whatever is given in the question is already arranged. But if it is, if the term inside the bracket are not same, then you have to rearrange the term. Alright? So x plus y is common. Now what are the remaining term? X minus 2. So this are the factor of this expression. Okay, one more example. Look at this one. Let's arrange the term. Alright? So here nothing is common, so 1 is common. If there is no term common, then 1 is your common. Alright? The minus b is common. Now once you take minus, this will be plus 1. So because here it is b into 1. So b is common. So what are the remaining terms? We cannot write 0. Alright? This is one of the important things. So if it is a plus ab, now here a is common. Now we cannot write 0 plus b. This is wrong. Alright? So what is there with a? The coefficient is 1. So we are writing the coefficient. Yes or no? So here also we write the coefficient. Plus a, b is common. Now since it is plus, then we change the sign. Always keep this in mind when we are taking negative common, then the sign inside the bracket will change. So if you look at this one, b and a. So b is common. Alright? So here is 1. Now what is the coefficient of b? Coefficient of b is a. Like here, the coefficient of a is 1, so here will be 1, not 0. Alright? Now if you look at the term inside the bracket, it is same. So 1 minus a and 1 minus b are the factor of given expression. Now the next method is using formula. So a square minus b square. Okay, so this is a very easy formula of algebra, which is a plus b and a minus b. Alright? Okay, so you need to learn all the algebraic formula which will help you, alright, to expand, to reduce, to evaluate, so whatever you do in math, alright. Now, a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So this formula we use to find the factor. So if you look at this one, 9x square minus 1, alright. Now what we do here? Here, we try to convert this expression in this a square minus b square form. Now can we do that? Yes. It has to be whole square, and here also it has to be whole square. Then only we can use the formula a square minus b square. Now what will be a and what will be b? Alright? Now b, it will be easy because 1 we can do anything with 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Alright? Now 3, 9. So 9 is a perfect square. So this is 3 into 3 is 9. And x is square. So can I write it as 3x whole square. Now, understood? Now what we do here is we use the formula. A square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. Clear? Now one more example. Now if you look at this one, 150 minus 6a square. Now here, this is not a perfect square, or neither 6. Now what we do here is first we take common. Alright? Now we'll be using all the methods. Alright? Now 6 is common here. 6 to the 12. 6 5 is 30. minus a square. Now here now we can express this in 5 square minus a square. So we have converted this in this form. Now what will be the answer? 6 a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. So these are the factor of this expression. So this is how we find the factor by using a square minus b square. Now the next method, okay, by using formula only, but here we use a cube minus b cube and a cube plus b cube. Now first we need to know the formula. Now a cube minus b cube is nothing but a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, a cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b into a square minus the terminal limit, same, only the sign will change. Alright? Minus plus, plus and minus. The terminal limit is same. Now, let's take an example. The first one, 27x cube minus 8. Alright? Here let's write 27x cube plus 8. Alright? Now, first thing that we see, can we take any term common here? No. Can we arrange in terms because only two terms are left? Alright? So what we do here is we use the form. So what we do here is 27 is a perfect cube, 3x whole cube. What we did in a square minus b square, same thing will be here, and this is 2. Now we'll expand it form. Now a and b. So a is your 3x and b is 2. And here this will be your 3x square plus 3x into 2 plus b square. If you expand, this will be your 3x minus 2. 3 into 3 is 9x square plus 6x plus 4. Now here, also the term will remain same. So this we can write it as 3x whole cube plus 2 cube. Alright? Then you can expand it this way, only the difference is sign will change. So this is your a plus b into a square. Now a is your 3x. Keep this in mind, this is very important. Alright? Minus a into b plus b square. So this will be your 3x plus 2. So are you guys understanding? Okay, so this is your 9x square minus 6x plus 4. Alright? So this is how we find the factors by using formula. Alright? Now let's discuss about the last method, that is breaking middle term. Alright? Now this method is very important. You should learn this method. Alright? Now let me explain you with an example. So let's take an example of x square plus 5x plus 6. Alright? And I'm writing the same expression. Now the term that I've used are same. But here is one difference. If you look at the last term, here it is plus and here it is minus. Okay? So breaking the middle term, we can use to find the factors of trinomial. Trinomial means 3 terms. Alright? Now, so breaking the middle term means which term is in the middle? 5x. If you look at both the expressions, 5x is the term that is in the middle. Alright? But we cannot break x. Can you break x like this? No. Alright? So we are not breaking the variable, but we are breaking the constant. Alright? So constant are all the numerical value that we use in math are constant. Alright? So what we are breaking? So we are not breaking x. Though x is in the middle, but we are not breaking x. But what we are breaking is we are breaking 5. The numerical value. So here also we are breaking 5. We are not breaking variable. I repeat. Alright? So what we do here? So the first thing, you can write this thing. We have to find out the middle term. But the constant, not the variable. Now what we do is write all the term as it is except this middle term, but not variable, the numerical value which we are going to break. Alright? So this is x plus 6. Alright? Now, okay? Now what we do is, now number 2, we write all the term as it is except the constant. Alright? Now, what we do here is, now what sign will be here? Now see, what are the operators that we use in mathematics? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now, which operation or the operators should we use to break 5? Yes or no? As I told you that we cannot break variable. Variable will remain as it is. But to break this 5, which operator or operation shall we do? Alright? So now we cannot use multiplication and division. We can only use addition and subtraction. Alright? I repeat, we can only use addition and subtraction. Now, what should be here? Plus or minus? It depends upon the last value. I repeat, last value. So what is inside? Plus. So here also it will be plus. Now, here also we are breaking. But see the difference. The last term is minus. So here it is. So that's why I took this example so that I can use the term, same term, but because of this sign, here it will be different. Alright? So what we did so far, first we have to find the middle term, but only the numerical value. Then we write all the term as it is except that numerical value. Now we need sign. So which two sign there? Plus and minus. But every time we cannot use plus and every time we cannot use minus. Now which sign you use? You use either plus or minus. It depends upon the last value. If it is plus, then we use plus here. If it is minus, then we use minus. Alright? Now what we do? Now the next step is, now we have to find coefficient. This is number 4, right? So coefficient of x squared and constant last term. Now if you look at this one, here the coefficient of x squared is 1 and the constant last term is 6. Now we multiply this. So 6 into 1 is 6. Alright? Understood? And we bring here also. So what we are taking? Coefficient of x. So coefficient of x squared, sorry. So it is 1 here and 6. So we are multiplying. So in both the case, 6 is the quantity. Alright? Now what we do? Now we find the factors of 6. How many factors we get? 6 into 1 and 3 into. Both factors will give you 6. But which we use here and which we use? See, we can use only the factors of 6. Alright? Which we'll get after multiplying the coefficient of x squared and the constant. So whatever quantity we get after multiplying, we can use only the factors of this quantity to break 5. We cannot use 1 plus 4. Alright, we cannot use 100 minus 95. That also will get 5, but that is not allowed. So what is allowed? Whatever number we'll get after multiplying the coefficient of x squared and the constant. So here it is 6. Now we can use the factor of 6 to break the middle term. That is 5 here. Now, if you look at this one, 6 and 1. 6 plus 1. Can I use 6 plus 1? No, 6 plus 1 will be 7. So what we can use here? 3 plus 1 is 5. Now here, can I use 3? No, because 3 minus 2 will be 1. So which factor I can use? 6 minus 2. So both are the factor of 6. Now we can use only and only the factor of this 6, which we'll get after multiplying the coefficient of x squared and the constant. Alright? Now from here to here it is very easy. So what I will do here is, let's open the bracket. 3 into x is 3x. But sign plays a very important role. Here is all are positive, so no problem. Plus 6. Now 4 terms are there. Now what we will do here? Grouping method. Yes. So let's arrange in group. So x is common here. X plus 3. Plus 2 is common here. X plus 3. Okay. Now x plus 3 is common. And x plus 2. So these are the factors of this section. Now let's look at it. Now let me change this sign to minus so that it will be easy for you to relate with the sign. Okay. So x squared minus 6x minus into minus. This is what I'm talking about. That's why I changed the sign. So minus into minus is plus 1 into x. 6 into x is 6x, 1 into x is 1. But if you multiply with the sign also, minus 6. So x is common, x minus 6. Plus 1 is common, x minus 6. So x minus 6 are common. Now but this is another important thing. If the term inside the bracket are not same, then you have to go back and see the calculus. Okay, what mistake you have done. So x minus 6 is common. So this is your x plus 1. So these are the factors of this expression. So alright, so these are the factors of this expression. So this is how we find the factors of trinomial by using middle term. Okay, so this is how we break the middle. But what is important here is this part. So most of the students will get confused with this part. Alright? So if you have any confusion, then go back. Okay? You can pause and you can rewind and you can go through it again and again. Alright? Alright. Let's take this example. Now if you look at this one, the terms are already reduced. So here we cannot take any term common. If you take term x minus y is common in this two term, but we don't have x minus 2. So we can use grouping method. And we cannot use any algebraic formula like a square minus b square, a cube plus b cube. That also we cannot use it. Or neither a cube minus b cube. Or we cannot arrange in group because here we have odd values, 3 values. Alright? Now, what we do here? Breaking middle term. Yes, very good. So what we do here is, if we look at the term inside the bracket, let's try to reduce this. So let us assume x minus y is equals to a. So this will be your a square plus 6a. Now, can you do this one? Yes, you can. Yes. So what we'll do here is, we break the middle term. The method will remain same. So first into last, 5 ones are 5. So what are the factors of 5? Only one factor we have, 5 into 1. So last term. So what sign will be here? Plus. Yes or no? So it depends upon the last term. If it is negative, it will be negative. If it is plus, it will be plus. So 5 and 1. So your job is done. So this is a square plus 5a plus 1a plus 5. Now let us take, so what is common here? A is common, a plus 5. And from here, no term is common, then what is common? 1. Yes, very good. So a plus 5. So a plus 5. So I repeat once again, if the term inside the bracket are not same, then you have to go back and you have to redo the calculation. Alright? Now, we got the answer or the factor in terms of a, but originally our value is in terms of x and y. So, putting the value of a back, a is x minus y plus 5 and x minus y plus 5. So this is how we find the fact. So whatever method we'll use till class 9 helps us to find the factors of binomial or trinomial of order 1, 2 on. Alright? Now, here we can easily take common. So here also we can take common. So we can use a grouping method, breaking middle term, or we can use a formula in this type of equation. Alright? Sorry, in this type of term. Now, but look at this one. So if you look at this one, this is called polynomial. If the terms are more than 3, so here if it is 3, trinomial, 2 binomial, but if it is more than 3, it is called polynomial of order or the degree 3. Now, we cannot use grouping method, or we cannot use breaking middle term, or we cannot use taking common. Alright? So, what we do here is we use different method to find the factors of this kind of expression. Alright? That we'll discuss in class 10 by using remainder and factor